Would you like to explore how technology and innovation can fuel success across healthcare, manufacturing, biotech, and large office environments? Then get ready for a special webinar preview that features a leading commercial cleaning company and how it has revolutionized its operations by validating cleaning performance, streamlining employee training, and improving quality assurance. All of this while increasing operational efficiency. And to do this, I'm pleased to be with the team at CleanMark, which is Wisconsin's largest independent janitorial company. And we're going to start with Euritzi. Tell us about yourself and what CleanMark does.
Yeah, my name is Yuritsi Gonzalez. I'm the branch manager for the Madison location, and I've been with CleenMark for 16 years now. So we provide services to biotech, schools, office space, commercial settings, and of course hospitals. We help them maintain a healthier, a safer, and a more resilient environment.
Thank you, Euritzi. Now, Joe, let's go to you next. Can you tell us what CleanMark has on its radar that could help move the professional cleaning industry forward? I know it's coming up soon.
So to open, I'm Joe Telotsko. I'm the Milwaukee branch manager, and I have a focus on medical. And as we're moving here into 2026, something that we're really working with is technology behind consistency and making sure we have validation. And that's really going to help to build the cleaning industry and making sure that things are set, standardized across the board.
Now, here's the big question. Those who attend this webinar coming up April 1st, what is one key takeaway that they'll be able to use right away after the webinar concludes? Can you talk about that?
Yeah, so as we develop technology over the years, everybody wants numbers right now. They want validation, consistency, making sure that we're preventing HAIs, especially in a medical setting, schools. That's going to be real huge. So with that, building that brand as far as how you can piece things together to really have efficiency and make sure that you're setting the standard across the board is extremely important. And that's really how we're going to help to beat HAIs and to make sure that we have a safer, cleaner environment.
Very cool. Idrisi, let's go to you on this one. Thinking about organizations preparing for the future of professional cleaning. It's always on our radar. What mindset shifts will this webinar focus on?
Yeah, Jeff, I guess the main thing is that we're trying to help organization focus on switching the shift from being active to proactive. We will be talking about moving beyond our usual just keep things clean and instead thinking about people, processes, data, which means embracing continuous improvement and viewing cleaning as a critical part of health and business outcomes. And of course, being open to new ways of working that support long-term success.
Thank you. Now, for those watching this preview, they're thinking April 1st, they're looking at their watches, they're wondering, boy, I have to take away some time to watch this webinar. Why should they do that? Talk about that.
Well, I think this webinar gives leaders a fresh perspective on where professional cleaning is headed and how to prepare for it. So you definitely don't want to miss it.
Definitely don't want to miss it. This will be a good one. April 1st. The registration to attend this webinar is in the video description below. Looking forward to going to this webinar.